In order for you to insert SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy A57, you first need to ensure that you have a SIM ejector tool. Once you've grabbed your SIM ejector tool, which you can easily get if you open up the box and find it from there, just locate the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of your phone, and then insert the ejector tool into the port and then push in until the SIM tray pops out. When the SIM tray pops out, simply use your fingers and just pull out the SIM tray, like so. And then from here, place the SIM cards. So when it comes to placing a SIM card, bear in mind that there is for SIM 1 and for SIM 2. And also, you need to ensure that the metallic part is facing up. So when you're placing the SIM card, it should look something like that. So you can do the same thing for the other side if you have two SIM cards you wish to add to your phone. And then once you've successfully placed the SIM cards on the SIM tray, simply insert the SIM tray back into your A57. And then push in the SIM tray like so. And now, simply wait for them to be picked up by your phone. You can also choose to just open up the settings app if you don't receive that notification. Select connections, tap on SIM manager, and you should be able to see your SIM cards have been successfully registered by your Galaxy A57. So you can now start using mobile data, making calls, all on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.